Does your home feel like it's shrinking by the day? Don't worry. Today, I'm sharing space-saving furniture ideas that will make your home feel 3 times bigger without knocking down a single wall. Let's dive in. Let's start with the MVP of space-saving, multifunctional furniture. Imagine this, a coffee table that hides your clutter and doubles as a desk, or a sofa that turns into a cozy bed. It's like having 2 pieces of furniture for the price of one and the space of one. Genius, right? Working from home. Don't let your desk hog all the space. Enter wall-mounted desks. These sleek setups fold away when you're done, leaving your room clutter-free and ready for yoga, dance parties, or whatever else you love to do. Ah, the classic Murphy bed, a game changer for small bedrooms. Pull it down when it's bedtime, and tuck it away in the morning to transform your bedroom into a living room. Instant space magic. When floor space is tight, think vertical. Tall storage units not only maximize your space but can also double as stylish room dividers. Practical and gorgeous, who doesn't love that? Speaking of practical, let's talk about ottomans with storage. They're comfy, stylish, and secretly hiding your stuff. Talk about working overtime. Love hosting but short on space. Expandable dining tables are your best friend. Compact for everyday use and big enough for dinner parties. No more squeezing around a tiny table. Another tip, floating shelves. They're perfect for displaying decor without taking up floor space. Bonus points if you use them to organize essentials like keys, mail, or even kitchen spices. Next up, foldable furniture. Perfect for those who need flexibility. Use it when you need it, and stash it away when you don't. Easy, breezy, and oh so practical. Don't forget about the space under your bed. Opt for frames with built-in storage. It's perfect for hiding out-of-season clothes, extra linens, or even shoes. Last but not least, let's talk nesting tables. They're the Swiss Army knife of tables. Stack them up when you need space. Spread them out when you're entertaining. Functional and chic. And there you have it, space-saving furniture ideas to make your home feel 3 times bigger. Whether you live in a studio apartment or a cozy house, these tips will help you create a home that's functional, stylish, and spacious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy space saving.